Hey brewers, Stu here from Newcastle Brew Shop. We're just going to quickly go over the cleaning and sanitising part of the brew day. So very quickly, cleaning and sanitising are two very separate things. You'll find in the kit you get a bottle of the sanitiser. I'm going to throw in a bottle of the Low Suds cleaning detergent for everybody that joins the brew day. I recommend cleaning everything that's going to be in contact with your beer with the Low Suds first. So it's 30 ml to a litre of water. So just put in a couple of litres of hot water in your fermenter. Anything that's going to touch your beer, i.e. your tap, even your little grommet, anything that's going to touch your beer, put in this solution in the fermenter, throw the lid on, slosh it around and let it sit in there for an hour or so to do some magic. Give it a light scrub with a brush, then tip it out and then go on to using your sanitizer to sanitize all the equipment. So that includes your bottler, it includes all your bottles. Get yourself a big bucket, take over the bathtub, whatever you have to do to get everything clean and sanitized. Just remember, it's two separate things. You can't sanitize something that isn't already clean. Really important to get the best out of your home brew. Cheers.